Hi, I am Jeff Heath. I'm here at APEC and I work for Analog Devices. I'm in the group that does power over Ethernet. The exciting thing about power over Ethernet is the new power level that the IEEE committee is coming up with, which is 71 watts. So what you're seeing here is a demonstration of our power sourcing equipment that is fully BT compliant, and also some demonstrations of the various types of PDs that we have that are receiving power and doing DC to DC conversion for the application. This PSE in the board is described here. We're very excited about this part. We're definitely the first guys on the block that have something that's very viable. There's a group called the Ethernet Alliance that just had what they call the Plug Fest. So all of the switch vendors and all of the IC providers came and we plugged things into each other, and you know, there's a lot of NDAs in place, but I can say that we had zero interoperability issues and looked really good on this PSE. It was kind of boring for us, and it wasn't as boring for everybody else. With this new power level, there comes a lot of current. So the thing that we've had for a while that fits on the front end of one of these PDs is an ideal diode bridge. For those of you that don't know, there are 2 diode bridge required to do PoE in front of the PD system. And this 4321 has been in use delivering very high power levels, but the bottom line is it controls 8 MOSFETs that look like 8 ideal diodes. So that's very exciting. Here's an example of what happens. This is in a previous system where we actually were delivering 90 watts, 2.2 amps, and you can see our T-rise is only 37 degrees. And by the way, that T-rise is caused by the transformer, not the electronics. Here's another approach with standard diodes and 2 PDs instead of just 1, and you can see they're getting very hot. So we're very, very well positioned in this part. This part has some competition, but we really believe we have the robust low power solution here. Down the wire, you'll see our PD stuff. Again, at the Ethernet Alliance Plug Fest, we had 0 interoperability issues. So we have topologies that support forward DC to DC converters, flyback, and also just a PD in case you need another kind of isolated supply, or maybe just want to do a buck because you don't need isolation. That kind of wraps up the exciting moment here at APEC for what we're showing, and thank you very much.